Okay, today we will show you how to use Microduino modules to make analog multimeters. First, we will introduce the things we will need today. The Microduino core, Microduino FT232R, one breadboard, two wire jumpers, two pieces of battery, and a USB cable. First, let's build the circuit. Fold them together. Connect the line. And charge it up. Okay, let's download the program. We can see during the download, the two lights blink. After finish the download, we'll start the experiment. First, we choose a battery. Okay. Open the serial monitor. Look at the computer. I haven't connected it, so 0 volt. When I connect it, we will see the reading. See? Look at the computer. 1.61 volt. Okay, the voltage of the battery is 1.61 volt. Let's choose another battery. Connect it. See? Okay. 1.61 to 1.62 volt. Okay, we can see the battery. The voltage of the battery is about 1.61 volt. Okay, after learning this, we can see we can use Microduino modules to make analog multimeters. It really works. So thanks for your attention. Bye bye.